Nancy ERT Class 8 English Chapter 9 The Comet. Comprehension. Check. Page 77. Question 1. Why does Indrani Devi dislike Dattada's hobnobbing with Divya? Answer. Datta was very fond of stargazing and enjoyed spending a lot of time with his telescope, Divya, trying to discover a comet in the night sky. Indrani Devi disliked Dattada's hobnobbing with Divya because she thought that the telescope was like a woman who had ensnared her husband and had grabbed all his attention. Question 2. She is complaining and smiling. Why is she smiling? Answer. Indrani Devi had complaints about the wretched Divya, Dada's telescope ever since. However, she would often smile it off as she knew how utterly oblivious her husband was of the practical problems of living. Although his doctor had advised him to take special precautions against the cold, he wouldn't remember to put on a sweater even if it was lying on his bedside chair. Question 3. I. What was Dada's secret ambition? E. What did he do to achieve it? Answer. Dada was an amateur astronomer whose secret ambition was to find a comet one fine day. To him, the telescope marked the fulfillment of the ambition of a lifetime. He was optimistic that the professionals with their pre-assigned programs might miss such an insignificant thing as a comet as they would be exploring faint stars and nebulous galaxies. Being an amateur astronomer, Dada had always longed to have enough money to buy a good telescope and enough spare time to gaze at the night sky with it. He fulfilled his desire after his retirement and bought an 8-inch long telescope which he called Divya Chakshu or Divine Eye. Every night, Dada would sit with Divya and gaze at the star studded sky with the hope of discovering a comet. This is because he was confident that the professionals might miss such an insignificant activity due to their pre assigned space exploration programs. Question 4. What is the difference between a planet and a comet as given in the story? Answer. According to the story, comets are new objects that come from the remote corners of the solar system. Like planets, comets also orbit around the sun, but their orbits are highly eccentric. Hence, once in a while, a comet comes closer to the sun. A comet has a longish tail that is lit brilliantly by the sunlight, and then suddenly it recedes into the darkness, not to be seen again for years or for centuries. Question 5. Why was Tatada hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? Answer. I. Complete story. Answer I. A few hours later, the police arrested the man. They held him for 24 hours and then freed him. Tatada was hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon because he was aware that the professionals were extremely busy with their pre assigned programs while exploring faint stars and nebulous galaxies. In this process, they are most likely to miss such an insignificant thing as a comet since they might not expect to see it anyway. As a matter of fact, amateurs had often discovered new comets that the professionals had mostly missed. Question 6. Why does Dada say, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet? Answer. While returning from one such ceremony, Dada muttered to himself in disgust, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet. This is because the discovery of a new comet by Dada brought unwelcome publicity to him. There were numerous receptions and functions to attend. He was an introverted person, and all these publicity stunts were not of his liking. Question 7. Why is his wife unhappy about the discovery? Answer. I. Complete story. I or tag. Dattada's wife Indani Devi was unhappy about the discovery because she thought that comets bring ill luck or cause unnatural calamities to Earth. Moreover, she was concerned that a good man like Dattada should not have been associated with the discovery of a comet. Comprehension check. Page 80. Question 1. How did Sir John get hold of James's original manuscript? James's original manuscript was published in the paper Nature. Sir John got hold of it from Mr. Taylor, who was the editor of Nature and was also his friend. Question 2. What is the important point the paper makes? Answer. I'll complete story. Answer. The important point that the paper makes is that Comet Tutor is likely to collide with planet Earth soon. Question 3. Why does Sir John say that James' paper should not be published? Answer. I. Complete story. Answer I. Sir John said that James' paper should not be published because he was fearful that the dreadful news of the inevitable collision of the comet with Earth might cause a lot of panic around the world. Question 4. What do the two men finally decide to do? Answer. The two men finally decide to organize an important secret conference of international experts to chalk out a plan to avert this impending calamity.